I've been to many treatment plants where the metering pumps are mounted at a short and uncomfortable height. We now have a pain-free ergonomic solution for you and your team. Introducing our new wall mount kit for blue-white chemical metering pumps. Our new wall mount kit allows you to mount your chemical metering pump at a convenient height to improve ergonomics. Our wall mount kit is simple to order with a single part number, KIT-PSM. The wall mount kit ships with a tough, chemical-resistant, high-density polyethylene bracket and 4 concrete wall anchors. And best of all, our kit is compatible with our 1, 2, 3, and 4 series diaphragm and peristaltic metering pumps. So improve ergonomics at your workplace today and buy our wall mount kit for your next chemical feed pump. At Blue-White, we are simplifying chemical feed and flow measurement through innovation. To learn more, visit us at blue-white.com.